So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the CSS selector using class attribute. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that if there is a um, uh, ID attribute, then we can replace the ID attribute with a hash. Okay, similarly the class attribute can be replaced with a dot sign. Okay, so let me read out the points for you. For example, if the web element has the class attribute, then you can use its details in CSS selector. Okay, I have already shown you in the previous video that how we write the CSS selector using class attribute. For example, I can show you here that we use it as, say for suppose there is an input tag. Okay, input tag, and using it has input tag has class attribute. Okay, then we will write class and then the value of the class. Okay, for suppose it is sign up. Okay, it's sign up. So this is how we conventionally write the class attribute and hence complete our CSS selector. Okay, so the second point says that class attribute can be replaced by dot. Okay, or symbolized by dot. For example, you can write this particular thing as this. Okay, input dot sign up. Okay, so this square bracket class equal to, and then the single inverted comma, and this single inverted comma and the square bracket, closing square bracket, can be replaced by a single dot. Okay, so let me show you this thing via an example over the Chrome browser. So I open the Chrome browser, and then this is the HTML tutorial, the HTML classes from the W3 schools. So I'm inspecting this, and see, I'm inspecting this particular block. Okay, right? On inspecting this, we can see that this has a class. Okay, in the span tag this has a class. So let me press Ctrl F, right? And right here span, let me first copy the class value, otherwise it will vanish. Okay, so let us type here the tag name. Okay, so the tag name is span, right? Span, and then I'll write class is equals to, and then single inverted commas, and then I'll paste it. So you can see that it got selected. Okay, I am placing my pointer over this yellow portion, and this particular block got highlighted. Okay, so there are three elements. Okay, so these three elements are getting selected. CSS selector is not unique. Okay, so this does not concerns us right now. We just need to see that how we can replace the class via dot. Okay, so let me remove this closing square bracket and the single inverted comma and the single inverted comma over here and the opening square bracket, right? Okay, yeah. And now we will use a dot in between the tag name and the value of the class, right? See, again one of three got selected, and this one is the same span tag which got selected using the CSS selector. Okay, you can see here. So here we saw that how completely we removed the opening square bracket and the class attribute and then single inverted comma. Okay, and the closing square bracket and the single inverted comma at the back side with just a dot. So I hope that you can relate it very clearly with the previous video. It's a similar concept as we have learned regarding the ID attribute, right? So this is what I wanted to tell you in a very short manner about the CSS selector using class attribute, that the class attribute can be replaced by a dot sign. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video, and till then keep learning, keep revising, and keep watching. Thank you.